Hey guys, welcome back. I've decided today I will try the first of the three beers that were kindly sent to me by Roy Goddard. Thank you for sending these, Roy. I really do appreciate it. And before we start, a lot of you guys overseas probably aren't familiar with the Tuatara brewing bottles. So they've got these scales on the outside, and that's a nod to the Tuatara lizard, a native of New Zealand. So a very cool bottle. Just thought I'd show you that quickly. So yeah, Roy has kindly sent three beers, and I thought today we would crack open the Gash's Pilsner Unreal. So it's a Czech premium pale lager. I believe it's based on a recipe that Gash Slugg, or Homebrew Network over in Australia, designed. So really looking forward to this. Thank you, Roy. We'll pour it up, and then we'll talk about what's in the beer, and also then we'll dive into the aroma and flavour, etc. So should all fit in. It's come off the keg, so there won't be any yeast in the bottom. So there it is there. Super clear. Hopefully you can see that. Plenty of condensation on the outside, but it is very, very clear indeed. So it looks fantastic. Got a sort of a very light brown colour to it, probably down to the addition of some of the malts. So yeah, before we dive in, I'll just quickly run through what's in it. So the bulk is Gladfield Pilsner malt, then it's got Vienna Munich, which will sort of add to that colour, Gladiator malt, sour grapes, medium crystal, also add a little bit to the colour, a little bit of black malt as well. The hops are Southern Cross at 60 minutes, then it's hot with Pearl and Target towards the end of the boil, and also Target and Pearl Whirlpool Steep. The yeast is Saf Lager, German Lager S189 Fermentus, 4.8%. And this was brewed back in December 2021. So it's, so it's 6-7 months old now. So it's a little bit of age on it, but it has been in the keg all that time. So cheers, guys. Cheers, Roy. We'll get a, so it's holding a beautiful cap. Oh, as I was springing the glass to my nose before, beautiful aroma, sort of floral, delicate floral. Some light sort of bready, a little bit of sweetness on the nose from the malts. It smells absolutely fantastic. Oh, that smells really good. I haven't had a Czech lager for a long time, so really looking forward to this. So let's dive in. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Roy. Oh, that's nice. First up, beautifully crisp, clean. And considering it's 7 months old, it still tastes really clean, fresh. Yeah, I'm getting some of that breadiness and a little bit of sweetness on the flavour, which is really nice. Now, I'm not overly familiar with Pearl and Target. I haven't used them myself, but I'm getting sort of floral, I guess floral notes from the hops. There's a little bit of spice, like a spiciness going on as well. I don't know what that's coming from or which hop. Like a delicate sort of, I was going to say citrus, but it's almost like an orange, like a delicate sort of orange flavour coming through. Oh, that's nice. Very refreshing. What did they say? 4.8%. You must be really pleased with that, Roy. That's fantastic. Beautiful lacing as well. It's a shame it's absolutely pouring with rain outside, but I can imagine if you're sitting down outside on a nice summer's day, this would be the perfect beer. Almost like a dry cracker sort of flavour as well. Oh, that's nice. I'm struggling a little bit to describe the flavours, trying to do the beer justice. Bitterness is good. It's 41 IBUs. It's super smooth bitterness. You get a nice, you can get the bitterness up front when you take a mouthful, but it smooths away fantastically. Combination of that little bit of sweetness sort of lingers at the back, but it still has a nice clean dry finish at the back, which is really nice. Yeah, just really balanced, delicate sort of flavors and aromas. That's really nice, Roy. I don't think I've had a Czech style homebrew beer from anyone else before. I could be wrong, but yeah, that is fantastic. What else can I tell you? Roy, do anything else? I'm surprised it's brewed back in December, because it just tastes like it was just brewed, in the last few couple of months type thing. Oh, that's good. Yeah, not sure what else to say apart from fantastic job. Definitely a beer that I would easily be happy to have a few of. If I bought this in the shop, this is always a measure for me. If I bought this beer in the shop, or bought it in a pub or a tap room, would I be happy with the beer and would I want another one? And the answer to that question is yes. I'd be very happy that I bought it, and I'd be more than happy to go back and get another glass. So I think that sort of sums up how good the beer is. So cheers guys, I will stop waffling, go back in the lounge where it's a bit warmer, enjoy the rest of this beer, and we will see you probably the next video will be another one of Roy's beers. I'll try and do that midweek. I've got I think the 1845 from Fuller's, or Fuller's 1845, and also the Old Peculiar, so looking forward to trying those two. So thanks for watching. Thanks again, Roy, fantastic job, and we will catch you next time. Over and out. Cheers.